Diretso ko sa bus ko. Ay, God.
Yun, magandang one feeling. Good afternoon. This is our first community service after election ng ating mga bagong BFREC kuya. So we are now doing emergency help to our brothers in Bagak, Bataan. So immediate ito dahil sila tinamaan ng bagyong Egay. So our first mission now is to help them immediately. Ito po yung nagawang tulong agad ng ating kapatiran from BFREC. So maraming salamat again and ipagpatuloy po natin yung alalayan natin. Magandang hapon at mapagpalang biyaya ng Panginoon sa Diyos.
I am an eagle, let me spread my wings across this wondrous land and stand for all good things, for strength and hope, integrity. Oh, let our hearts beat proud and free. Take my hand and come with me where eagles fly for liberty, truth and justice, equality, for God and home.
Agila, tinurn over na natin yung yung relief goods sa Parek, sa Pag-asa Royal Eagles Club. So kasama natin sila Kuya Jojo, si Kuya Pres Ali, ang ating masigasig na presidente, si Kuya Gio at si Kuya Roy.
Parek.
Una-una, maraming salamat sa BFREC sa pamumuno ni Kuya Pres Ali sa pagbibigay ng tulong sa mga kababayan natin sa Bagak, Bataan na nasalanta ng bagyo. So maraming matutulungang pamilya. Maraming salamat sa buhay ng Agila.
Where eagles fly for liberty, truth and justice, equality, for God and home we live or die. I'll see you up where eagles fly. People helping people, this is who we are. People helping people, reaching for the stars where eagles fly for liberty, truth and justice.